Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Shopify. Today in this video, I will show you how to change your product title size or product grid title in your Shopify Dawn theme. Now, before we get started, you can get a 3-month free trial on our Shopify or on your Shopify with our link down below. So definitely check that out as well, and let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is basically what people are asking. As you can see in the attached picture, the font title size of the product grid in products is really big, both on desktop and mobile. So this is what is actually happening on Dawn theme a lot of the times. Also, you can apply this solution that I'm about to show you right now for your other themes, not just Dawn theme. But basically, this is what you want to do. You want to go to your online store and you want to go to theme, and then you want to edit the code. Now, you will need to edit the code. Unfortunately, I know most of you don't want to mess up your code, but again, make sure to go and search file base CSS. So this is the file that you want to search. It's called base.css. You want to paste the below code at the bottom of the file and hit save. So this is basically what you want to do. Obviously, it will depend, the pixels will depend how, how small the font you want to have, but that's basically what you want to do, right? This is the only thing you want to do, and you want to paste this below the code at the bottom of the file. Now, if this is not working for you, you can just hit delete the code, and then everything will be again on the same place, just previously, just like you did previously. So that's basically what you want to do. You can also use apps for this. However, I would not recommend apps, as this is much easier than installing apps on your Shopify store. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.